Lexi B, I represent for TalkUp TV1. I'm there with Jalayan. Jalayan, the question of the day is, does size matter in the bedroom?
Young, know, sure, I'm there with Lexi B to TalkUp TV1. I'm say, yo, size matter for you, man. I want to lift up pum pum once, but I know a big pum pum make you go and talk bad. Pum pum don't make you feel happy. Hard to make you happy, you know, type pum pum, you come quick.
So you say matter?
Yeah, man, size matter for you, man.
So I'm to man, size matter in a bedroom for the woman?
Woman too?
Yeah.
You want some a big long Johnny girl you want for you, man. So, you want to look at TV, you want to sit long, you know, for run the marathon. Yeah.
Alright, so you hear the man say, size matter in a bedroom, you see me? Alright.
I'm there for song. You can hold an artist in the business, yeah? I never know. Alright, woman, we know you're sweet. Woman, we know you're strong. Woman, all you need is a righteous man. Woman, we know you're sweet. Woman, we know you're strong. Woman, all you need is a righteous man. You know a righteous man because the righteous man live it. You buy your hippos and them and your righteous man a sip it. You want some money and your righteous man a give it. You have your righteous gear and your righteous man a rip it. You write a righteous song and your righteous man a sing it. You build a righteous castle and your righteous man a king it. You buy your grocery and your righteous man a bring it. You have the righteous life with the righteous man in it. What I say?
Alright, you know we're there with the Lady D, huh? Yeah, man. Alright. So the question is, does size matter in the bed?
No. Reason being, alright, size don't matter because once you can do a thing, no, it don't matter.
Alright, the question for the day is, does size matter in the bedroom?
Sure.
You have got to explain that to me, you know. So what you say at the perfect size? No.
It's really hard. But it do matters.
It does matter.
Yeah.
But you hard to tell which side and which side.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, we're there with the beautiful lady. And the question for the day is, does size matter in the bedroom?
No.
No. So what you would say is a normal size for a man? You know anything like that?
Well, I really know, but once it fits and once I not feel not too much pain, it not hurt. It no matter, cause and everybody born with the same size, so you have to give and take same way.
Alright, enough respect, you know me? Does size matter in the bedroom?
Yes. Yes, of course. Most definitely.
Why does size matter in the bedroom?
We don't want no nooks. Where that I go?
So wait, let's say the preferable size. Are they...
No, I'm not going to tell you that thing about me. I don't want no tickler. I like people. Yeah, agony have to eat there. Mama? Yeah. Yeah, size matter, of course. Cause definitely. No man no want no woman way. No puppy. Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Enough respect. Alright, we're there with the beautiful young lady, you see me? Yeah, and the question is, does size matter in the bedroom?
Of course, size does matter because if you don't have a good size, then the sex not gonna feel good. Then you don't have to pretend, no? Okay.
I hear that size matter.
No, as long as oh Jesus, as long as I strengthen the size, well, it doesn't matter because as long as you can use your tool, well, that's okay. So I don't think size is it. Look on the small axe that fall the big tree, so therefore size is no problem.
I hear that size no matter. Small axe fall, big tree.
Sometimes it's a first nice number and then you know how much.
So what size? Alright, we're there with the beautiful lady who asked her the question, does size matter?
Yes, it does. Why? Because, I mean, who wants something that is tickling them? You want to feel something, right? Don't want anybody wasting my time.
Alright, we're here with the beautiful young lady, and the question is, does size matter in the bed?
Yes, of course.
Oh, so where does you have a preferable size then?
I saw. What would I say? Size of matter in a bed, yes, because if it's not good, I don't want it.
Does size matter in the bed?
No, it don't matter either.
No matter.
Don't matter. Still slim and a broke body, I say.
Does size matter in the bedroom?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. So what you said, size don't matter. So is there a preferable size where you say yeah, or just any size?
Well, I think that woman I talk about, but size don't matter in my bedroom, but me like fat man.
Oh.
Me like skinny man call me done fat already.
What about the man? I'm talking about the man now.
Eh?
The man size, right?
Or they might have something I go on. No like nothing small. Big things are going, yeah. New Year's are come.
Does size matter in the bedroom?
You know, say no, you know, the size don't matter. This how the person using, you know, if you know for the thing, you see me, size don't matter. Small axe for a big tree. See it?
Yes. I remember saying my name Karen. Karen, yes.
Switch your question now. Does size matter in the bedroom and a man part? I'm not talking if he's fat or if he's slim. I talk if he...
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
It matter.
It matter. Because there are some man with something very small, and some large, and some big. But I'm not the kind of big one them.
Alright, the question is, does size matter in the bed?
No, not for me.
Not for you. Okay, so why does say the preferable size for you?
For me, 7.
7. Alright, my friend, thanks.
To me, I know. Me did I beg you if stay down go. See the no table turn by up. Things elevate, I'm living great. Bricks heavyweight, steak palm.
Alright, you know we're there with the beautiful lady, you see me? And the question for the day is, does size matter in the bedroom?
Of course.
So what size you would say preferable size?
Alright, it depends because you have you have man with them who looker and they know if to do their thing. And you have some man with them who big and they don't know if to do one shit.
Alright, so
it depends.
it depends. Alright, thanks, eh?
Alright.
Of course, size matter because it depends on. You see, if sometimes women them some of them not feel comfortable because sometimes women them something small and they don't might get much pleasure. But one thing though, some women they will have small things can really do it good. Yes, and most women tend to go for the men with larger things because I feel like, you know, it's more pleasure.
Get more pleasure from it.
Right.
Alright.
All of us do me a soulmate. Your biggest mistake is